Hi everyone, I'm gonna try something, well, just because I felt like trying it on camera for you guys. I do it so you don't have to, or unless you want to. But anyway guys, I'm gonna try a corn dog dipped in peanut butter. Let's just swirl that delicious peanutty goodness all over my nice, really soft corn dog. That was not a sexual innuendo. Anyway guys, bon appetit. I don't hate it. It's not bad. I mean, when you first bite into it, you get a peanut taste, and then you get that juicy bread corn dog flavor. It's actually pretty good. Try this, y'all. This is good. Anyway, guys, keep it sexy.